Edith Dalton James warmed up for the upcoming ISA schoolgirls football season, which is set to start next month, by retaining the Eltham Eagle One Cup, a one-day rally held on Saturday at Eltham High.
6 schools were given the opportunity to test their preparation levels ahead of February's kickoff to the ISA schoolgirls football season. This as Eltham High hosted the second staging of the Eagle One Cup. Again, Edith Dalton High reigned supreme as they lifted the title for the second year. According to coach Omar Taff, he is proud of the girls' performance as their preparation is not where it should be at this stage.
The girls them come and give me a surprise. They said that they never really give me a birthday gift earlier, which was the 5th of December, so this is one of it. I'm giving it today, so I'm really surprised.
Edith Dalton rallied with a 2-0 win over Clarendon College in the final.
We have to really dig deep, make a few adjustments with the side. Now have a really full squad. You have a few of them in the under 17 whenever turn up today, so if you realize I only have 11 players exact. So that will make some rotation and adjustment.
St. Andrew Technical have retained 6 of their players from last season, and it is for this reason why Coach Conroy O'Malley sees this competition as a good tune-up ahead of the league.
This is the second year of the competition. We entered last year and we entered this year again, all because it's part of our development program. It's part of getting the girls acclimatized to football, those who are new, getting it to understand what big field football feels like. And I think it's very important for us to have this kind of development going forward into the schoolgirl season.
Richard Reed is the coach of Eltham and the organizer of the competition.
The girls were unsure. And that's what we need, because we're trying to build female football in and around Jamaica. Last year we had fewer teams. This year we had a lot of teams entered, but at the last minute, because of financial purposes, they were out. So we're hoping that next season we can do better.
The ISA Schoolgirl Football League is set to start in mid-February. Christopher Scott, TVJ Sports.